Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are excited to discuss an innovative trading tool that has been making waves in the Forex market. But before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. In this video, we will explore the impact Drone EA_Fix.X4 Expert Advisor, EA. We'll be right back with more after this break. Great to have you back. I hope you're still enjoying the video. EA, developed by Impact Trading Systems. This cutting-edge trading robot is specifically designed for the MetaTrader 4 MT4 platform, aiming to automate trading activities using the Impact Drone Forex trading system. The developers claim that this EA has the potential to generate substantial profits while keeping risks at a minimum. If you're interested, you can purchase the Impact Drone EA_Fix.X4 on the official Impact Trading Systems website. Using this expert advisor, EA, for 1 month, a $1,000 initial deposit grew to a total net profit of $3,827.33. The EA generated a gross profit of $8,537.18 and a gross loss of -$4,709.84, resulting in a relative drawdown of 24.1%. However, it is crucial to approach the performance claims of the Impact Drone EA_Fix.X4 with caution. Currently, there is no independent verification available to substantiate these claims. The absence of external validation raises concerns regarding the accuracy and reliability of the promised profits. Therefore, it is prudent to exercise skepticism and conduct thorough research before considering the utilization of Impact Drone EA_Fix.X4. Furthermore, it is worth noting that some users have criticized the EA for its usability and high drawdown rate. Drawdown refers to the reduction in an account's value from its peak, and a high drawdown rate indicates a higher level of risk. The difficulties users have encountered and the reported drawdown rate raise concerns about the effectiveness and stability of the EA's performance. Given these considerations, it is vital for potential users to conduct their own research and due diligence before making any decisions regarding the usage of Impact Drone EA_Fix.X4. It is essential to independently evaluate its performance, comprehend the associated risks, and take into account user feedback. By doing so, individuals can make well-informed choices that align with their trading objectives and risk tolerance levels. Remember, trading in the Forex market carries inherent risks, and it is crucial to approach it with caution and prudence. Always seek professional advice and never invest more than you can afford to lose. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the Impact Drone EA_Fix.X4 EA, and we encourage you to continue expanding your knowledge and skills in the exciting world of Forex trading. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.